Hello. You can see this waterfall. This is in Pawna. There's a loads of tourists are here today, and this is the Pawna Dam. I will show you the loads of water are here. Lots of traffic. Today lots of people is came. This is full of water. This is called Pawna Dam. You can see this dam is that side. This is the dam. Loads of water is acquired here. Loads of people are coming due to Sunday. Lots of tourists are here. Lots of traffic is jam is here. Nicely, everybody taking their pictures. So this kind of enjoying. You can come to the Maval from the Samarth for this destination. Pure water fountains. You can see waterfalls. People are enjoying here down. Hip hooray. Some are taking. Yeah, it's okay. And that is on upside is there nice waterfall. You can see the people are there on up. They are enjoying here. Nice cold water. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bonjour. Take care. Bye bye.